Ever wonder how some blackjack players win without ever getting heat from the casino? Stick around because today I'm revealing real strategies to help you play smart, win more, and stay completely under the radar. And hey, if you love beating the casino quietly, hit that like button so we can keep these secrets coming. Casinos watch players closely because blackjack, unlike slots, can be beaten with skill, particularly card counting. But the house still has the edge, so they aren't watching every casual player. The house edge in blackjack is around 0.5% if you play perfectly, but with counting, that edge swings to the player. Surveillance teams are trained to flag, consistently varying bet sizes after low or high cards, players who flat bet but suddenly spike their wager, and players watching multiple hands or using hand signals. They also use facial recognition and track player habits if you use player cards. Don't jump your bets drastically. Gradually increase wagers instead of doubling or tripling after a count. Instead of going from $10 to $100, go from 10 to 20 to 30 over several hands. Okay, so you definitely want to avoid marathon sessions at one table. Surveillance is always watching for players who stay locked in for hours, especially if they're winning, you know? The smart move is to rotate tables or take breaks now and then. A good rule of thumb is to play for about 30 to 45 minutes per table, then cash out and move elsewhere or maybe switch games for a bit. Seriously, that's a solid pro tip. You gotta mix up your play for real. Every now and then, make a poor play, like hitting a 12 against a 4. Just chat with the dealers and other players, keep it casual. Sometimes it's smart to lose on purpose with tiny bets, just to throw off any attention. Think of it like acting. You definitely don't want to look like some robot running calculations. If your betting rhythm looks like a chart, trust me, they'll know something's up. Flat betting and then suddenly making big spikes? That's gonna bring the heat fast. And hey, don't be a table coach. Nothing brings attention faster than correcting other players or trying to be the expert. You want to blend in socially, not intellectually. Oh, and definitely avoid the pit boss eye. Don't flash big wins, have loud celebrations, or stack up oversized chip towers. That brings eyes on you super fast. Just keep a low profile, pocket your chips, and quietly color up when you leave. Play smart, play sneaky, and honestly, the casino won't even know what hit them. If you enjoyed these stealth tips and want more ways to beat the house quietly, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We'll keep you one step ahead of the pit bosses.